How expensive is Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai? 1. Royal and expensive. The average price for the stay at this Royal 5-star hotel is around $24,000 per night. The hotel rooms of these hotels are considered as one of the best hotel rooms one will ever see. The rooms take up 2 floors, every corner of the floor till you reach the room is filled with lavishness. When you enter, you will be greeted with an extraordinary gold and marble stairway. You can reach your room via a private elevator if you want. Yes, you heard that right, they have a private elevator. The colossal pillars are made up of 22-karat gold. These staircases are only for the suites and for reaching the hotel lobby. The guests staying in this hotel rooms will get their own personal dining area. And they will also provide their guests with butler and a very comfortable Arabic-style recliner. Their high level of the enormous rooms are fundamentally divided into 2 sections. One is according to a man's flavor and other is as per the woman's taste. The woman's room consists of bright colors such as bright pink, orange and yellow. The master beds in the bedroom of the rooms literally rotate. There is a huge mirror placed above the bed. Can you imagine you actually get the menu for the pillows? Oh yes. The guests get the opportunity to select the pillows as per their choices. There are 3 bathrooms for each suite which are featured with marbles and gold. 2. Construction. The construction of the hotel began in the year 1994. The construction implicated up to 2,000 workers during the Crest time. The architects constructed the hotel similar to the shape of billowing spinnaker sail of a J-class yacht. The 2 wings spread in the V to form a vast mast. The space between them is enclosed in an immense atrium. The names of the construction contractor of this building are Murray and Roberts. They are now renamed as Concor and Al Haptor Engineering. The interior works were distributed by UAE-based Deepa. This lavish hotel was officially opened in the year 1999. The helipad which is constructed on the roof of this hotel was designed by the Irish architect, Rebecca Gernon. This helipad is located on the 59th floor. This helipad is also used for other stuff which includes a car race track, a boxing ring and a tennis courtroom. It is also considered as the highest kite surfing jump in history. The total amount of money spent on building this royal hotel was about the US $1 billion. 3. The numbers. This popular 5-star hotel is situated in the city of United Arab Emirates, Dubai. It is situated on Jumeirah Island. This man-made island is 920 featuring long. This 5-star hotel is managed by the Jumeirah Hotel Group. The Jumeirah Beach connects the mainland by a private curving bridge. The structure of this hotel is designed similar to the shape of a sail in the ship. This hotel is one of the tallest hotels in the world. Despite 39% of its height is made up of a non-occupiable space. This 5-star hotel has its very own helipad. It is constructed on the top of the hotel, and its height is 689 featuring above the ground. 4. Design. This breathtaking hotel was designed by the multidisciplinary consultancy named as Atkins, and it was led by the architect named as Tom Wright. The design of this royal hotel is parallel to the Vasco da Gama Tower which is situated in Lisbon, Portugal. The design and the construction of this lavish hotel were managed by a Canadian engineer named as Rick Gregory. He is also from W.S. Atkins.